Good morning everyone, welcome back to class. So in the chapter Air, Water and Weather, we will learn about the water table. Today you will know about the water table. So what is the water table? When it rains, some water seep into the earth. When it rains, what happens? Some water, you have seen raining is there. So some water it goes under the seep under the earth, and the water reaches the non-layer. That water reaches the non-layer. This water is called underground water. That water is known as what? Underground water. The level of the water, underground water at a particular place is called the water table. And the level of that underground water in a particular place, that is known as what? Water table. So it is clear to you all about the water table. You have seen the rainy season, yes. Whenever it rains, what happens? Heavy rains are there. You see that some water, where does water go? Yes, some water flow from one place to another. Some water, it so seep into the earth, goes inside the earth, seep into the earth, and it reaches the non-layer. This water, what happened? It reaches the non-layer. This water is called underground water. That water is known as what? Underground water. The level of the underground water at a particular place is called water table. Now it is clear to you all about the water table. What is the water table? The underground water that goes under, yes, rainwater that seeps and that reaches under the earth, goes inside the earth and reaches the non-layer, and that is known as what? Underground water. And the level of the underground water at a particular place is called water table. That is known as what? Water table. Now, what you will know about the water on the earth has impurities. So this water having impurities in that. The impurities can be soluble or insoluble impurities. So whatever the water comes from the rain and inside the earth, it goes inside the earth. So the water having some impurities in it. So it is known some soluble impurities and some are insoluble impurities. Now you will know about soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. Impurities that get dissolved in water. Some impurities that get dissolved in water, they cannot be seen with the naked eye. They cannot be seen with the naked eye. Example are germs, salt and minerals are the example of soluble impurities. It is clear about the soluble impurities. These impurities, what happen? Soluble impurities, it dissolve in water. You can't see them with your naked eye. An example are germs, salt and minerals are the example of soluble impurities. Next one is insoluble impurities. What is that? Insoluble impurities. That impurities, what happen? Not dissolve in water, does not dissolve in water. Insoluble impurities not dissolve in water, and we can see with our naked eye. We can see with our naked eye. What are the example of insoluble impurities? Sand, stone, twigs. These are the example of insoluble impurities. So it is clear to you all what you have learned. Today you have learned in the chapter Air, Water and Weather about water table. What is the water table? You have learned about the water table. So what is that water table? You have seen that when rainy season rains fall, some water it seep into the earth. Yes, and this water reaches non-layer inside the earth. Non-layer it reaches, and this water is called what? Underground water. Yes, boring water you are saying, no, it is coming from underground water. So how water comes? This rain water goes inside and it purifies, then you can get the boring water. So it reaches, that is known as non-layer, and this water is called underground water. And the level of underground water at a particular place is called water table. The level of the underground water at a particular place, that is known as what? Water table. It is clear to you all about the water table. Now water of the earth that has impurities, the water of the earth is having impurities. These impurities can be soluble impurities or insoluble impurities. What is the difference between soluble impurities and insoluble impurities? Soluble impurities, it dissolves in water. Soluble impurities, what happen? It dissolves in water. You can't see them with your naked eye. You can't see them with your naked eye. And what are the example of soluble impurities? Germs, salt and minerals. Three of these. Next one is insoluble impurities. What is the insoluble impurities? That does not dissolve in water, not dissolve in water. You can see with your naked eye. You can see with your naked eye. Example are sand, you can see. Yes, with your naked eye. Sand, stone, twigs are the example of insoluble impurities. So it is clear to you all about the water table, soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. Okay, student? Okay. So water table, what is the water table? The level of underground water, yes, at a particular place is called a water table. So it is clear, it is soluble impurities and insoluble. Okay, student, today this much only. Next class again I will continue with the other topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.